Welcome. Today we're diving into Telegram's latest update that lets you clean up bot conversations with surgical precision. Imagine removing only specific days or date ranges from your chat history while keeping the rest intact. Let me show you how to master this powerful feature on your PC. First, launch the Telegram desktop app. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process remains the same. Navigate to your chats list and locate the bot conversation you want to declutter. This could be a weather bot, a task manager, or any automated service you've been using. Once inside the bot chat, scroll through your message history until you find any message from the date you want to target. Look above any message bubble for the subtle date stamp. It might say yesterday, last Tuesday, or show an actual date like March 15th. Click directly on this date label. A calendar interface will pop up, revealing your entire chat history timeline. Here's where the magic happens. Click Select Days in the upper right corner. This activates Date Range Selection Mode. Now you can click and drag across multiple dates, or hold Control to cherry-pick non-consecutive days. Want to wipe an entire week? Just click the starting date, hold Shift, and click the end date. With your target dates highlighted, click the Clear History button. Telegram will ask for confirmation. This is your last chance to double-check. If you want these messages gone for both you and the bot, though most bots don't store history, check the Also Delete for bot name unbox. Click Confirm and poof, those selected conversations disappear like digital dust in the wind. Remember, this isn't just about cleaning up space. Maybe you're resetting a game bot's progress, removing sensitive data from a finance bot, or simply curating your chat history. Unlike full chat deletion, this date-specific method lets you maintain context in ongoing conversations. Pro tip: combine this with Telegram's auto-delete feature for future messages. Right-click your bot's name, select Auto-delete messages, and choose a time frame. Now your future interactions will self-clean, while you retain manual control over existing history. That's all it takes to become a Telegram bot conversation ninja. Keep your chats lean, organized, and exactly how you want them. Until next time, happy messaging.